On this week's Tuesday Talk, we are answering a question from a viewer about scheduling, budgeting time, and scheduling things while we're on the road. If we have any, if it's hard, if there's any concerns or anything we should talk about.
By the way, it's Cinco de Mayo.
It is.
So enjoy your happy hour tonight.
Well, no, it's Cinco de Mayo now. It won't be Cinco de Mayo when they see this.
Oh. Well, then have a margarita anyway, and just think of today. All right, this is mainly your topic because it's about
Scheduling.
Staying on top of things, and that's totally her domain.
Yeah. So I'm the schedule keeper and the planner, and there are a few things you have to think about in terms of being a full-time RVer and scheduling. Part of that is how long you're going to stay places. I know some people actually book reservations way in advance. They know exactly how long they're going to stay places. Other people wing it. We're kind of middle ground. We book some things, we wing other things. And part of the way we decide how long we need to stay places is what we want to do there, right?
Yes.
So, for instance, we're in Santa Fe right now. We booked a week because Santa Fe is a great city. There's a lot to do here, but we also knew it was a big city and that we could, for instance, get Patty groomed at PetSmart, and that there were a few day trips we wanted to take. So things like that are kind of things you have to think about so that you have enough days in order to plan everything. Otherwise, the main thing that you have to remember is you're not on vacation if you're a full-time RVer, and so you'll be tempted to schedule every minute of the day and try to hit everything in every location that you go to because who knows the next time you'll be there.
I hate that kind of travel.
It's necessary.
Where you're cramming things in. I don't like doing
if
that.
it's a once-in-a-lifetime thing where you're going to go someplace for a week and you're never planning on going back and you want to get as much in as possible, I can understand it. But as full-time RVers, we can always come back, and we have to remember that. And if we were to push ourselves to that kind of vacation pace all the time, we'd burn out so quickly. It would be unbelievable.
Most people burn out quickly because they go too fast too early because they're so excited to see all these different things.
Yeah.
That's a very easy thing to do. In fact, we did it.
Somewhat.
We did that to some degree last year as well.
Yeah.
We just felt that we were moving too quickly.
That was the moving. But imagine, we actually stayed places a week at a time, and we would take days off. Days off from traveling and seeing pretty things. We would do laundry. We would just have a day working in the Airstream. There are things you have to be able to do like that. You have to be able to schedule that into your life as well. Like, where are you going to do laundry? Do you have a day to clean? Do you just need a day off? Things like that are important to also schedule. And so the way that I schedule is using a combination of a Google Calendar for longer term stuff and my Passion Planner, which we saw in some video, I think like a month ago.
You're having some speaking.
I am. But
she hasn't been drinking, I promise.
It's Cinco de Mayo, but it hasn't been margarita time yet.
Haven't had a sip yet. That's later.
Passion Planner, which I'm planning to do a video about because I'm really enjoying that, and that's really working for me in a way of planning and keeping track of things on a weekly basis much better than what my Google Calendar was allowing me to do. So stay tuned on that video. If you're interested in that video, let me know in the comments below because I'm loving the Passion Planner, and I figured I might as well share it with you guys. So is there anything else about scheduling?
No.
He just pretty much follows the schedule as long as I give him gym time now and don't push us too fast. He's good.
My needs are very simple.
Yeah.
I just need a few things, and I'm happy as a clam for extended periods of time.
We try to always make sure that we have happy hour every night, whether we're drinking or not, so that we sit down together and talk and hang out and enjoy wherever we happen to be.
Kind of like this, but without the camera.
Yes, that might be next, actually.
And the serious topics.
Well,
without those two.
Sometimes they could be serious topics, sometimes they're not. So that's it for this week's Tuesday Talk. If you have a question for a future Tuesday Talk, please leave it in the comments below because we're always looking for new ideas and new things to talk about. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already because we are traveling and going cool and awesome places, as you hopefully can tell.
Finally, our videos don't suck.
Everybody's coming.
Yes. Very popular place at the campground right now.
Yes. Anyway, we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.